As a regulatory agency, the Department of Land Development Services facilitates the safe and sustainable building of our communities. And in an effort to provide excellent customer service, Land Development Services recently created the Permit Library. Permit Library includes 60+ online help guides for each site and building permit record type available in our online permitting system known as PLUS. The guides serve as a tool to navigate the application and approval process for building and site-related development. As customers access the various guides, they will find detailed content arranged in a consistent and user-friendly format, providing submission requirements, process details, and relevant YouTube tutorials to successfully complete an application in PLUS. Customers may access the Permit Library via the county's webpage, Google search engine, and during the initial application step in PLUS. Customers can also access other useful information, such as when a permit is required and the type of permit based on the project. With these online tools, customers are better equipped with the resources needed to engage in the county's permitting process. As we continue to be available to our customers both in person, virtually, and through phone support, we also strive to provide a strong level of digital service to our customers, and the Permit Library is one of the ways in which we accomplish that goal.